installing they're just the ice white ones. They're nothing too special. Cost about $50 or so. Not too bad, not too bad. So we're just gonna jump right into them and get them installed. We're taking the bolts out to take the headlight right out, so it'll make it easier so we don't have to take out the intake or anything. So yeah, it's just pretty simple steps. With this model, it's easier. So we had to take off the grill so we don't scratch it, since we just repainted it glossy black with some Plastidip type of stuff that's not really Plastidip. It's like glossy Plastidip, but it doesn't stay on plastic very well. It's really peeling.
So we don't lose those.
Plug the wires. Alright, we're hoping this fits to the adapter, and I'm hoping it does. Well, I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, it looks like it will.
Yeah, it looks like it should fit.
I think we should save these lights.
Save these bulbs?
Yeah. Yeah, I think we should do that.
Alright. It looks like there's a little clip right there.
Oh, you're fucking kidding me. It's so fucking fragile.
Yeah.
Let's put this there. Oh, we don't have to put. Oh yeah, we do have to put this on.
There we go.
I don't know if you wanna.
Just hold on to this. Put this in the box.
Let's see if this clicks in first. I don't want to damage that.
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh yeah, it's just a little loose like that.
that's fine.
I wonder if we should tape it.
I think I got tape in my car.
Yeah, I think we should, after we put it in,
Yeah.
I think we should tape it so that way it won't slide out.
They said not to use those dust caps because these ends, it won't fit.
Which one?
You know, these little dust caps right here. If we try to put it on, it won't fit
yeah,
inside of
yeah.
the thing because it's too big.
Yeah.
So guys, we got the LED in right here, as you can see, but we had to, like, one of the clips broke right here, but this is, you just twist off and then you pop that in first. It makes it a bit easier. We're not gonna do it because it's a pain.
Yeah.
But so it was pretty simple.
You gotta get the light bulb in there first, and
Yeah.
then one of the clips, you gotta take it off so that way you can put it over the light and then twist it on.
So it's easy, but not easy.
And we broke one of these clips
And
right
we
here, so
don't-
we're gonna tape it.
And we don't need this anymore because it's not gonna fit because there's too much going on there, but I'm gonna go get the tape really quick.
If you wanna try it out.
Alright guys, Ford Focus is two clips that have to clip in, and then we're gonna go try it out. Then we go around. I did not unlock my door. I know. I did not lock it. I started. Alright, so we turn the light on, and that's where the low beam and high beam are. It shares like a one bulb, so it's pretty weird. So that's the after. And then that is the before. So yeah, big difference. And one bulb is for both, so it's very weird. Alright guys, since we didn't record the other headlight, we're gonna show you guys exactly what to do. So you just find the place for the bulb.
You gotta set it in there the right way.
And one of these clips on here, you gotta break them for it can fit
That
over.
one. There's supposed to be 3 of them.
Yeah, we had
We
to
broke
break one.
Yeah, we had to break one.
Because the fan's too big to go over it.
You guys will see why. Yeah, see, that goes over the fan.
And it goes perfect.
If you did have it there, it would not go on.
Yeah, and you just have to break it. We broke it on accident and it just worked out.
Yeah, you break the stuff and it actually works out. I guess we gotta start breaking stuff.
I guess, huh?
And that's it. You clip it in and your light won't come out, see? It won't not come out.
And it's perfect.
And then that's why it's called a plug and play.
Yeah, you plug it in and you play like the music.
See?
And with this one, we don't have to tape it now.
Yeah, other one, this one. There we go.
And it's done. And
It's
we
on.
Plug
You
it
just
in.
put it in, you're done.
And once it becomes more darker, I'm gonna continue this video and show you guys how it actually looks. And and I hope you guys enjoy it.
That's it.
Boom. Now it's time to just plug it in, and we're done. Very simple, worth the $50. So that's how much it costed. Not too bad of a price. And then bolt, clip, and then put the front grill back in, and then we're done. Alright guys, now it is nighttime, and I'm gonna show you guys how the LEDs look. They work so good. I can actually see past 5 feet, and it's great. So I'm gonna just turn the car on a little bit and show you guys how it looks. Look at those. Alright guys, as you can see, it's the next day since when I showed you guys the LEDs at nighttime. And I just want to give a little rundown on how much it costed me, where I got them, and my opinion on them. So I ordered them sometime last week or so, maybe like 4 or 5 days ago. I don't remember fully when I ordered them, but I ordered them. It took a couple days to come in, and then they came in. So the headlights came in. Obviously, I think I paid around $50 or so. The thing about the Ford Focus that's weird, that the high beam and low beam share one bulb. Usually it's like 2 different bulbs, as anybody that knows anything about cars or has a car should know. Usually it has 2 bulbs, and then so it has 1 bulb, and they're very bright. I can actually see very well at nighttime, and that's what I was going for. I do like the ice white look because it's not so like old school looking, as you can tell, as you can see, like it looks like a newer car. But I more got them for actually purpose, so I can actually see at nighttime, because with the halogen lights, they got like 5 feet or so in front of me, and I couldn't see past that. And the high beams work great, but you can't use high beams in the city. That's where I live, is in the city. So my opinion on them, let me think about a nice opinion. My opinion on them is I think they're a great product. I forgot the brand. I might show you guys before I end this video, but I forgot the brand, but I did get them on Amazon for $50. Not a bad price. I actually like it pretty well, and they work very well. I love them. They look super nice, super sick, and they do their job. And there's a fan in the back of them, because with the newer like LED lights, there's usually like a fan or so. And you can actually hear it turn on and see it spinning once my lights are turned on, because the halogen bulbs, I turned them on for like 2 minutes and they were like super hot, so that's not good. And I got these just for my car to look newer, and for the purpose of alright, I'm back. I had this thing right here, this little piece that broke, usually gets stuck right here, and it gets annoying. But so I did get them with the purpose of wanting it to actually do the job and to look nice, because what car doesn't look nice with LED lights? They look amazing. But next thing I'm probably gonna do to my headlights, because I'm not gonna be ordering any new headlights soon, so the next thing I'm probably gonna do to my headlights is get them like clean, so they're not foggy, so they look new at least, because they're very foggy. They're not really foggy. The outside you can feel it, so it can get taken out. I just need to do some research and see how to do that, or I might have my girlfriend's mom do it, because she knows how to do it very well. And so the headlights, I love them. They're sick, they're awesome, they do their job, and they look really nice and clean. So yeah, that's pretty much the opinion about the headlights and stuff. This video is not going to be the most like entertaining video or anything, but I'm hoping you guys enjoyed how we installed them. Super simple, super easy. It literally took like 15 minutes for both. We took off the headlights because it just made it easier to pop them in and connecting everything, and everything is way different than how my PT Cruisers was, and the PT Cruisers was a pain. So I'm glad I got blessed with this car. A lot of you have been asking me what's like next for the car. Obviously, the next thing I want to do to the car is get a nice pair of rims, so it makes the car look even better than it does. Because Steelies, like, they're Steelies. They're not meant for looking nice. They're just there. But the next thing I might do in next week's video, if you guys stay tuned, I don't want to spoil it too much, but it involves like taillight tint. But it's not only the taillights. That's probably not what I'm doing next week's video. but I will find out more once it gets closer to next week's video because it's still a whole week away. So you guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's not the longest or the best video, but I did enjoy making it. Super easy, super simple. And so yeah, I hope you guys follow my socials right here. For my TikTok, yep, got TikTok for my car, and then my Instagram right here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in next week's video.